Hey, what's happening? Have you ever tried to stick to the carnivore diet while traveling? You know it can feel like you're stranded in Carb Central. But today, I'm showing you how to survive travel without falling off the meat wagon. From TSA approved snacks to food court hacks, you'll be ready to fly high and stay carnivore. The best travel survival plan starts before you even leave the house. We have to pack for emergencies. All this is TSA friendly. No liquids, no problems. And if your flight's short or if you're feeling hardcore, just use that time as a fasting window. That's always an option. Don't forget to move your body, get some natural sunlight, and operate on the local time zone you're in. If you didn't pack your own meal, it doesn't have to be a huge problem. Let's talk about airport food court strategy. These deli coolers usually have dry-cured meats and cheese packs, but I really try to avoid eating these if I can. I just don't want all the preservatives. I got me a little snack pack of some hard-boiled eggs and cheddar cheese. Salt these up a little bit. So at most fast food spots, you can do this. McDonald's, 4 patties, no bun, no sauce, maybe cheese. Five Guys, bunless patties in a bowl, add bacon and cheese. Breakfast spots are my favorite. Bacon, eggs, sausage. Just double check there's no sugar in the sausage. And if the budget allows it and you're at a sit-down restaurant, order an a la carte steak, plain, no sides. Keep it simple. Be that person. It's worth it. You know, if they give you weird looks, that's okay. You're not there for the inflammatory breadsticks. I did a quick search for restaurants around the area where my hotel is and didn't really see anything that sounded super good, so I've got a different idea. I've had these before and they are delicious, but my hotel room doesn't have a microwave. So rotisserie chicken it is. It's got to be the fastest I've ever been in and out of Costco. It's the beauty of that rotisserie chicken, hot, fresh, and ready to go. So my first day in the city, and while I was looking for lunch, I found this street food vendor offering hand-carved meats. It's been probably 10 years plus since I've had porchetta, and I just found some from a street vendor down near the port of San Francisco. So I'm gonna try it out. It's delicious. Got a little bit of the end cut here. It's got all the seasoning and everything on it. They're really tender inside. Oh, smells delicious. So if you haven't had porchetta before, basically we have the crispy, crackling skin on the outside, fatty, savory, tender, juicy meat on the inside. Mmm. It's as good as I remember it. Like I said before, I know it's important to move your body every day. And I feel so much better if I stick to my exercise routine, even while I'm away from home. Oh, wait, that's not me. The next day I had a lunch meeting, and they chose an Italian restaurant with all the carbs you could ever want. I ended up ordering a crispy skin bronzino sauteed in butter and just avoided the vegetables. It was tasty. I decided to wrap up the day with an early evening walk to get some fresh air and get my steps in. For me, the real key to surviving travel is my mindset. Every time I travel, I remind myself why I eat this way. I want energy, clarity, and I want to feel like myself when I land. I don't want to be dealing with sugar crashes and regret just because I gave into that stale airport croissant. If you fall off, no guilt, get back on. But the more times you conquer travel days, the stronger your habits get. And that's me mode.